Hello, my M18 Milwaukee mid-range torque impact has gone missing. Either misplaced, stolen, lost. At any rate, I looked at what it would cost to replace. Somewhere around $300 just for the tool. Then I saw a video comparing these. This is SeeSii, or SeeSii. I guess those are two I's. It's a brand on Amazon. Looks to be a knockoff of a Makita. So I ordered these to try these out. Take a look. This is, I believe, a mid-range, somewhere around 600 foot-pounds of advertised braking torque. There was a coupon, I think, for $20 off through Amazon. So this thing, before taxes, came out to about $107. For $107, I got the tool, a charger, two batteries that are Makita clones, and it looks like, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sockets. So anyway, I thought I'd give it a try. And then, because I was only spending $120 on that one, I gave this one a try. A right angle impact. This one had a $40 coupon, so this came in somewhere around $80. This comes with one battery, a few sockets, and a charger. So what we're going to do is try to break the lugs loose on my tractor that I'm attempting to paint here. Need to get these off, take the wheels to the sandblaster. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, I went and got my sockets. The sockets that came with it, none of them were big enough. If you can see that, there you go, there's a cross hole there. I guess somewhat of a little collar. So nothing to retain that. But I do have this goodie bag with parts, so I'm going to see what this does. Okay, I got it in with a pin, but I'm not sure how that works. There's the reverse button. There, the pin just shot out, so I'm going to have to go look at the directions and see what their real solution to that is. I also got an email from the company with a bunch of notes that I didn't read, so we'll see. But we'll see if they're breaking. Yeah, I broke that real easy. Easy. Now it's got, see if I can get here, 3 settings on it. There, start button. Medium, high, and low. I'm not sure what that does. Again, I'm going to have to read the instructions. But it's breaking these loose with no problem.